Hello students, today we will revise Unit 11, that is fractions, and in this unit we have learnt about the how we can read and write the fractions in words, about like fractions, and how to arrange the like fractions in order, ascending or descending order, and we have also learnt about how to add and subtract these like fractions. So let us revise them. So first of all, here's worksheet 1, that is shade the figures that represents the given fraction. So here the fraction is given and you have to shade the figure. So 2 upon 3, 2 out of 3. So here you have to shade 2 out of 3. Total number of parts are 3 and you have to shade 2 out of 3. Similarly 7 out of 15. So you have to shade any 7 parts out of these 15 parts. Similarly 3 out of 5. So 3 parts out of total 5 parts. And this way we can shade the figure that represents the given fractions. And here write the fraction to represent the shaded part in each. So here the shaded parts are given and you have to write the fraction, right? So here total, first of all we will count the total number of parts 1 2 3 and then the shaded part 1 2. So 2 out of 3 are shaded, so we are writing like this. So total number of parts at the bottom and number of shaded parts on the top. So 2 out of 3. Similarly here total number of parts are 12 and the shaded parts are 4. So 4 out of 12 are shaded. That is, we have to write total number of parts at the bottom, right, and number of shaded parts on the top. So in this way we can write the fractions to represent the shaded part in the given figure, right? And then the most important thing is write the fractions in words for each. So हम कैसे fractions को words में लिखते हैं, and it is very important. So you have to write the given fractions in words. So हम इनको कैसे fractions को words में लिखते हैं? So we read it as 3, जो हमारा न्यूमरेटर होता है, अपर टॉप वाला पार्ट, अपर पार्ट, उसको हम एज इट इज रीड करेंगे 3, एंड जो बॉटम में आएगा उसको हम ऑर्डिनल नंबर फॉर्म में रीड करते हैं फिफ्थ्स, 3 फिफ्थ्स, राइट, 8 नाइन्थ्स, 9 टेंथ्स, 5 सेवंथ्स, 6 13ths, 10 19ths. So let us do practice of this, that how we can write the fractions in words. So let us take the examples. Suppose 9 upon 16. This is the fraction and we have to write this in words. So how can we write? First of all, we will see the top part. So here on the top it is written 9. Upper number क्या है हमारा 9. So we'll write 9. जो हमारा अपर नंबर है उसको हम एज इट इज लिखेंगे 9 एंड देन डैश. लोअर पार्ट को हम एज अ ऑर्डिनल नंबर रीड करेंगे. 16th, 9 16ths. So we'll write it as 16ths, right? Similarly, one more example. So how can we write this fraction in words? So it is 4. जो अपर नंबर है उसको हम एज इट इज लिखेंगे 4, एंड जो लोअर नंबर है उसको हम कैसे रीड करेंगे? सेवंथ्स. क्या रीड करेंगे? सेवंथ्स. So we'll write it as sevenths, right? Let us take some more examples. how can we write this fraction in words? So upper number is 2, so write 2, and जो lower number है that is fourths, 2 fourths, right? 2 fourths. Now let us take more example. 6 upon 13. So how can we write 6 and it is 13th, that is 13th, 6 13ths. And if we want to write 3 upon 5, so how can we write? It is 3 and 5 will be written as fifths, right? So in this way we can write the given fraction in words, and this is very important. इसको आपने अच्छे से practice करनी है, right? Now next is your numerators and denominator. So what is numerator and denominator in the fraction? So we have learned that the top number is numerator, it is called as numerator, and the lower number, जो lower number होता है, that is denominator. So that we have learned. So based on it we have worksheet number 2. So here write the numerators of the following number fractions. Very easy. You have to write the numerators. So numerators हमारा कौन सा होता था? Upper या top number, right? जो ऊपर होता था हमारे पर number, that is numerator, and जो number bottom में होता था या lower number, that is denominator. So here we have to write only the numerators. So numerator is 2, जो भी हमारा upper number है that is numerator 2. Here is 1, 13, 4, 7, 6. These all are numerators. And in next question we have to write the denominators. So denominators क्या होता है हमारा? Lower number. So here the lower number is 3, 9, 15, 6, 15 again, 10. So these are the denominators, right? And here's the third question. Write the fractions for the following. So here in this question numerators and denominators are given and we have to write the fractions. So while doing these type of questions, be careful. Sometimes denominator is given at the first, right? ये पहले दे देते हैं numerator. So इसको carefully read करना है questions आपने, and then write the fractions कि denominator क्या है and numerator क्या है. What is numerator and what is denominator? So numerator upper number and denominator is lower number. So यहाँ पर confuse करने के लिए you can see here numerator पहले दिया है, so you are writing numerator on the top, denominator at the bottom, right? So you are doing like this, but यहाँ पर आपका fourth part है, इसमें denominator पहले दे दिया है, numerator बाद में दिया है. So इस type के question में बहुत सारे बच्चे जो confuse होते हैं और mistake क्या कर देते हैं, ये denominator ऊपर लिख देते हैं, numerator बाद में नीचे. So ये क्यों मिस्टेक होती है? बिकॉज माइंड में ऐसा सेट होता है कि न्यूमरेटर पहले गिवन होगा एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाद में, बट इट इज नॉट सो. इसको हम उल्टा करके भी कई बार दे देते हैं. सो बी केयरफुल व्हाइल राइटिंग द फ्रैक्शन. लेट अस टेक फ्यू एग्जांपल्स. सपोज न्यूमरेटर इज गिवन, न्यूमरेटर इज 8 and denominator is suppose 15. So what will be the fraction? So fraction will be क्या होगा fraction? That is numerator हम ऊपर लिखेंगे and denominator हमारा नीचे आएगा. So this will be the fraction, right? And let us take one more example. denominator suppose is 12 and numerator is suppose 5, right? So sometimes students write like this 12 upon 5. So ऐसे questions में बड़े ध्यान से आप read करेंगे. What is the denominator? Denominator is 12, so we have to write denominator here and numerator हमारा कहाँ आएगा? ऊपर. So the fraction is 5 upon 12. So here we have revised about how to write the fractions in words and how to write fraction when the numerator and denominator are given. So do practice of these type of questions. In next video we will revise more about this unit. Thank you.